Hi guys, I am the founder of Get Life TV. So this is a channel that I just shared with you on Get Life TV, where I told you that we will be teaching Yoruba language, and this channel is called Eko Ede Yoruba TV. So Eko means teaching, then Ede means language, while Yoruba means the Yoruba in question. So I told you guys that for us to be able to learn Ifa very well, we need to understand Yoruba language. So on the basis of that, I created this channel purposely for the teaching of Yoruba language. And I've hired a professional Yoruba teacher, as I told you, and I introduced her to you on Get Life TV channel. So for those of you who are interested in understanding Ifa very well, Ifa stanzas, Ifa messages, and you want to chant Ifa fluently, so all you have to do is to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge, so that you will be watching our Yoruba class. You know, we have recorded a series of uh, videos on this very subject matter. Okay, so and for those of you who want to learn Yoruba just for something else, like for just to understand Yoruba, maybe you are not an Ifa practitioner, you are as well free to click on the red subscribe button down below to watch our videos so that you can learn Yoruba very well. So, thank you very much. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to this channel free of charge. It's a brand new channel and we've recorded videos. We've recorded the videos on the teaching of Yoruba language. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye for now.